What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing and taking a look at a game controller. So this is the 8BitDo Pro 2 Bluetooth gamepad, and the color of it is gray. Here's a few of the pictures of it right here. Now, I'm not a gamer, but I figure it's never too late to learn how to game. Now, I picked this up from Best Buy, $49.99. I got the gray color, but it also comes in a black color as well. There's the black, and the price is $49.99. So some of the features and details on this, I'll just kind of go through this real quick here. You're going to get a 1,000 milliamp hour battery that offers up to 20 hours of use when fully charged. This also features, this is a full-size wireless Bluetooth game controller designed with respects for the classics, made with extra attention to critical characteristics such as D-pad to make sure it feels exactly like you remembered it. Easily pairs your controller as a X input or D input device via Bluetooth. You can also use this as a wired USB controller with the included USB cable. So I would drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. I want to use it with stuff like my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. I have iPads. I have Windows devices as well. So I want to start doing a little gaming. So here's the packages. 8BitDo. I always want to say do, but I think it's pronounced Do. Pro 2 Bluetooth gaming pad. I guess you guys can see here. It works with Switch, Windows, Android, Mac OS, Steam, and then it tells you the content of the packaging. And there's a nice look at the device there. And on the back of it, you're going to have all your specs right there. It's going to tell you what version you need to be on for this to be compatible with these devices here as well. And that is it. So let's go ahead and crack the box open, take a look at this, and try it out. So there's an app that you can download as well. This thing is completely customizable, and I don't know how to do any of that stuff. I probably won't be doing that on camera here. The first part of this is going to be me unboxing it. Then I'm going to download the app, and I'm going to try and pair it with my devices and maybe demonstrate a little bit just how it works. Like I said, I'm not a gamer, so I'm not sure. So here's the box here. Let's get this out. All right, so a nice gray colored controller here. Feels pretty heavy in the hand. Not real bad. I have played on controllers before with my son and my grandson, so I'm not a gamer per se, but I have gamed. And then here's gives you all the breakdown of the controller here. You got that in there. You're also going to have your USB-C to USB cable here as well. And that is all in the packaging. Let's get the box out of the way here. All right, guys, so we're back in. Let's take a closer look at the controller. So you're going to have your D-pad over here. You got a little bit of branding there, Pro 2, your select button, start button. You got a star button here. These are your joysticks. This button here is where you can switch between the 3 profiles that you can set up. You do have the 8BitDo logo and a button there. You got your X, Y, A, B buttons there. Also, on the bottom, on this side of it, you got some LED indicators there. LED indicators. You're going to have your battery compartment where your 1,000 milliamp hour battery is. Also, you can use AA batteries from what I understand. You got your P1 and P2 buttons here. You got your selector. This is for where you switch between different devices. S is for Switch, A is for Apple, D is for Android, X is for PC. And a nice little ridges in here, kind of help with gripping it as well. Right here, you're going to have your L2, R2, L and R switches and selectors and triggers. I'm not sure what they're called. Your power button, Type-C charging port, and another LED indicator light. So feels equally distributed in my hand. I'm not a gamer. I've said that a few times now. But all of the switches and triggers and buttons and joysticks and D-pads all feel great. So I'm going to pair it to my Z Fold 3. Also going to pair it up to my iPad and also my Microsoft's Surface Go 3, and then I'll try to show you guys some gaming on it. So let's go. All right, guys, so we're back in. Let's go ahead, before we pair this, and take a look at the app. So the app, I've already downloaded it, but you go into your Play Store, and it's called the 8BitDo Ultimate Software. You go in and click that. Like I said, I've already downloaded it. The app is basically for giving you control over your controller for customizing button mapping, adjusting sticks and trigger sensitivity, vibration control, and create macros. So that is what the app is going to be for. Like I said, you can just use it straight out of the box like I'm going to do. So let's go ahead and open up the app. Here's the icon for the app. And once you open this up, it's going to be searching for your device. And let me just show you something, guys, something on the device here. Earlier I said this was the power button. That's the Bluetooth button. This is the power button. So you just go ahead and hold this down, and you'll see it pop up here, LEDs. And this should find that in just a second. As you guys see, it did. It says click to use Ultimate Software. So I'm going to click that button there, and we are in. So when you're in this, you can go over and you can set up your button controls here, however you want to set these up. That's for the rear, and then you can also do the front buttons as well. And you go back and go into more settings. So this is where you can set up your different profiles here. Your mapping again. You can set up your sticks. Guys, see if as I move this stick, you'll be able to set that up like you want. You got your triggers. So if I press this, you see that's moving there. Customizable. You got your vibration, how much vibration you want. Macro setting. And then your settings all over. So pretty much that is the app. I'm not going to use all of that. I'm just going to use my device out of the box for right now. So let's go ahead and get this paired up. Let's go into settings over here, Bluetooth. Let's go to connection, Bluetooth. Let's see if we can go ahead and get this paired up. So I'm going to go ahead and press the pairing button. Button is kind of small, guys, I can tell you that. And here it is right here. Shows up. So we're going to go ahead and pairing requests. And just like that, it paired, and I felt there was a little vibration there. So this is ready to go, guys. We're going to go ahead and set up a game so we can try it out. All right, guys, so I have it connected to my Z Fold 3. I'm going to play a little Shadow Fighter here, see how the controller works. So let's go. Not too bad, not too bad. So let's try another round here. See if I can take him out here. Oh, he got me, he got me. Get up, dude, let's go. He got me again. He tearing me up. See if I can make a comeback. I got him. So that is Shadow Fighting. Let's try another game. All right, guys. So we're going to play Asphalt 9. And it gives you all of your control features here for the controller right here. So let's give this a try. Gives you some options there. And let's go ahead and just give it a try just to demonstrate the controller. We hit that ramp there. So controlling the car is not too bad with the D-pad. And we do get first place, so not too bad with the controlling it with the controller. It's a lot of fun. All right, so let's try the iPad next, guys. All right, guys, so we have the iPad here. We're going to be playing Raymonds Adventure. Let's go ahead and get this started. It gives you the different options here for a controller. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so I have it hooked up to the Microsoft Surface Go 3 using a Type-C cable, and we're going to see if it will work with this device, try it out, see how well it works, and we're going to get in. This is Asphalt IX. See what it does here. All right, giving me some instructions here. Controlling it is pretty easy using a joystick here. Not too bad. I missed my ramp there. See if I can take first place here. Oh, got another ramp. Oh. Okay, guys, so this has been my unboxing, first impression, and a little bit of gameplay with the 8BitDo Pro 2 game controller. I tried to demonstrate it working with 3 different platforms. I had the Apple iPad, I had my Microsoft Surface Go 3, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. And it worked well with all of them. I did use the Type-C to Type-C plugged in with the Microsoft Surface Go 3. And worked great for me. For someone that's not a gamer, the buttons and controls work great for me. Hooking up, connecting with the devices was easy. Now, with those 3 different platforms, of course, you can go in. Those games I downloaded from the store. But you can go into you can play Stadia with this. With the Microsoft, you can go over and do the Microsoft Game Pass. And of course, Apple has their arcade as well. But Seems to hook up and work with different platforms very well to me. Didn't feel uncomfortable, felt great in the hand. So that's my look at it. I'm Will. This is Will's Guide to Some More. I'm out.